Hi, I am R. Venkatesh, Assistant Professor in the Electronics and Communication Engineering Department at Raguni College of Engineering and Technology, Anjigramam, Palkulam, Kanyakumari districts. In this slide, we are going to see the overview of optical receiver, which is used in optical communication system. After the completion of this slide, student will be able to explain the basic concept of optical receiver and the student will explain the digital signal transmission of optical fiber communication system. So introduction. What is receiver? What is an optical receiver? An optical receiver is broadly defined as the receiving of information from the transmitting point or transmitter point. So for when a designer want to design an optical receiver is much more complicated than that of an optical transmitter, because an optical receiver must first detect a weak signal and it is sense the distorted signals, and then to make a decision on what type of the data was sent based on an amplified version of this distorted signal. So designing an optical receiver is much more complicated than optical transmitter. Below that, we are seeing the basic structure of an optical receiver. So the optical receiver is categorized by three different parts. So one is the front end part, center is the linear channel part, and the last one is the data recovery part. So when an optical data or incident and an APD, avalanche photo diode, and high current pulse gate flow through the circuits. Now, the photocurrent is amplified by a preamplifier. Thus, it converts the voltage pulse to have an adequate voltage level. Next, the peak amplitude of the voltage pulse are maintained as a constant by an AGC controlled amplifier, that is automatic gain controlled amplifier. The signal will be amplified and used from the output of the AGC amplifier is fed to the AGC amplifier via peak amplitude detector. After the completion of the peak amplifier detector, a compensation is made between input and the reference voltage level, and a required output signal is generated which controls the gain of the AGC amplifier. Finally, the noise output is then reduced to described level by a band limiting filter, and the signal is then amplified to a single signal data level. Since most of the fiber optical communication systems use two-level binary data digital transmission process. So now we are going to see a digital signal transmission process. It is the block diagram of an digital data link. So the top link is the transmission path, center path will be the channel path, and the last will be the receiving path. So here a transmitted signal is two-level binary data streams. Let us consider either 0 or 1 in a bit period of TB seconds. The simplest techniques for sending binary data is an amplitude shift keying, where a voltage level is switched between on or off values. The optical transmitter converts the electrical signal into optical signal. An electrical current I of t can be used to modulate an optical source, that is either an LED or laser diode source, to produce an optical output of P of t. The optical signal equivalent to 1 is the optical pulse power of duration Tb, where 0 is the absence of light. The optical pulse gets attenuated as it propagated in the fiber. Pin or avalanche photodiodes are used to receive and convert the light signal into electrical signal as optical signal to electrical signal. An amplified and filter sections are used, and it is the signals are compared in the decision circuits with the threshold voltage level. In the threshold voltage level, the decision circuit compare the signals in each time slot with certain reference voltage known as threshold level. So The receiving signal is greater than the threshold, it is considered as 1. When the received signal is less than the threshold level, it is considered as 0. So, an optical signal that gets coupled from the light source to the fiber becomes attenuated and distorted as it propagated along the fiber cable. If the received signal is greater than the threshold, 1 is received, else 0 will be considered. In some cases, an optical amplifier is placed ahead of a photodiode to boost the optical signal level before photo detection. An optical preamplifier provides a larger gain factor and broaden bandwidth. However, this process is also include additional noise of an optical signal. Error source. Error is the detection mechanisms can rise due to various noises and disturbances associated with the signal detection circuits. So various noises will be arises. The term noise is used to describe the unwanted co- components of an electrical signals that tend to disturb the transmission and the progressing of signals into physical systems and over which we have incomplete control.